Let's take a look at this very impressive infographic about reasons that people decide to change their careers around. Most people will cite money. I personally think that when you're starting your career, that could be very true, particularly if you have a lot of student debt, for example. A lot of people do want to have recognition and appreciation, and quite frankly, many organizations, in my experience, are kind of weak at that. There are different ways to do it. The university gives it awards to faculty. Business and Shell used to give cards for gas to recognize good performance. It's something that good HR and good managers should always provide. Now, stress. I saw the comments around the new generation workaholicism, if there is such a word, is frowned upon, but I'm the generation where 7 days a week is pretty much the norm. However, my boss, the chair of my department, actually said, "Skip, you don't have to answer email on the weekend. That's a very reasonable request. You do need downtime with your wife." So I appreciated that. Flexible work options is a big deal. I think more and more and more the virtual office is coming into being. I, as you may have noted, have had many opportunities with virtual work, and I really, really like it. For example, at the university, I work from home, and I go to campus for meetings and to do my face-to-face and to have my face seen and be seen and keep up on what's going on. Of course, we're always looking for career opportunities and advancement. And when we get a mentor that doesn't want to just mentor you for that business, and when we get a mentor who says, "Look, you have other opportunities here," that's a great, great, great person to have around.